Here we have a 2008 Hyundai Elantra with a fuel-efficient 2-liter engine and only 165,000 kilometers. This vehicle features CD player with USB and auxiliary, heated seats, cruise control, air conditioning, powered windows, powered locks, and powered mirrors. All of our vehicles come with a Manitoba Safety, a 3-month, 3,000 kilometer powertrain warranty, and a 1-week, 500 kilometer check engine light warranty. This vehicle is selling for $4,950 plus taxes, and we do accept status cards. We offer many financing options, including our in-house financing plan. To view this vehicle, come down to 1429 Clarence Avenue. Our phone number is 204-229-3838, or you can visit boyceauto.ca.